Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. First of all, I need some guidance on the resume.
Okay,
I've
let's
sent.
first take a mock. Based on that, I will suggest you. Okay,
Yeah, sure, sure.
so can you introduce yourself in brief?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Krunal Gupta. I have completed my graduation in 2024 from Gujarat Technological University with a CGP of 9.4. In the college meantime, I have done multiple internships named as with Trived and SharePro Technologies.
Okay,
From that, I have learned the real life experiences and real life skills such as JavaScript, React, Java, Redux, Firebase, and other technologies. Apart from my academic excellence, I have done some extracurricular activities also, such as I have lead my college to the Google Developer Student Club, which is
okay,
a club of 1,500 students around the world, around the India.
okay. So how you were leading that?
Sorry,
So you were leading that group.
GDSC. Yeah.
So what
So
was your role?
my role is to manage the students and how to motivate the newcomers, like from the first year of the students, like how to start the programming and how to how which resource to be followed. So we will guide them and work together as a team.
So it is something related to GSOP.
No, it is not GSOP. It is a different group of Google. It's a GDSC group. It's a Google Developer group.
Okay, okay, okay. GDSC, right?
Yeah,
Okay. And so you have done the internship also, right? Or
yeah.
training?
No, it's a internship, not training.
Okay. So you don't have any experience apart from the internship?
No, I don't have any experience apart from internship.
Okay. So what are you preparing for the exams, right? Government exams or something like?
Yeah, I'm preparing for the exams and looking for the new, full-time roles for it, which I have given multiple interviews in the companies. Uh,
Okay. Okay. So do you know any programming language?
Yeah, yeah, I have know about Java. Basically, I have know about Java mostly.
Okay. So Java is your preferred language, right, in the programming?
Yeah, Java and JavaScript are my preferred language.
Okay. So are you comfortable with the some question with Java?
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
Okay. Um, is Java platform independent or not?
Uh, no, Java is a platform. Yes, Java is a platform independent because of the there are three layers of it, which gives the platform independent.
What is the bytecode? Do you know the bytecode in Java?
Um, yeah, it's a small file which is generated on the compile time.
Mm-hmm.
I mean to run through the uh,
Okay.
Java engine, which compile it to the machine language.
Okay. Um, okay. So Java is a object oriented language, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So do you know what is object in Java?
yeah. Object in Java is a method to um, to show something or to save the something in the key value pairs.
Sh-
Store the items.
in okay. Are you sure? I'm talking about
Um,
object.
Yeah.
Okay.
So okay.
Object in OPS.
Okay. So object. No, I don't know about
Okay.
100%.
Do you know about the class?
Yeah, class. Yeah, I know about the class.
What is the class?
So class basically it's a blueprint of the program which in the program which we use to make the how the program works in it.
Okay. Hmm. Do you know about the database?
Yeah, I know a little bit about the database.
What is the acid properties?
So acid properties, yeah. So acid properties stand for atomicity, consistency,
Hmm.
and for the D it's durability, and for I I can't remember right now.
And it's for isolation.
Yeah, so I for isolation.
Okay. What does mean by durability?
So durability means the program will not break in any of the circumstances. Like if any error occurred or anything happened, then program will not break. It will come back to the original position, so that no data will be lost or no transaction will be occurred in that.
Okay. Hmm. ठीक है. Coming to the next question. What is the difference between primary key and foreign key?
Um, so primary key is a uniquely a uniquely way to identify the tuple in the table,
Okay.
and foreign key represents the referential integrity which make the relationship between the two tables. Primary key cannot be null,
Okay.
and it will be always unique, but that's not case with the foreign key.
Foreign key can be null.
If we want to join the table, then it cannot be null, but if we are not joining any table, then obviously foreign key will be null.
Foreign key is also the primary key, right?
Yeah, it's also a primary key.
So it should not be null, no?
Okay.
Because if you are merging two table and
Yeah.
one table's primary keys will be the foreign key for other, right?
Yeah.
So foreign key could be the primary key. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Do you know the aggregate function in SQL?
Yeah, I know about the aggregate functions.
Uh, what is aggregate function? Can you?
Yeah, so aggregate functions are the special function which is used to help in the data queries to find out something mathematical operations, such as some of the aggregate functions are sum, max, count,
Hmm.
etc.
Okay. Okay. Um, you have idea about computer networking?
Yeah, I have idea about computer networking.
What is the difference between TCP and UDP?
So basically, TCP is a connection-oriented way to connect the two networks, while
Okay.
UDP is a uh, uh, non-connection-oriented method to make the connection. TCP will be slow, but UDP will be fast. TCP is more secure, and UDP is less secure.
Which one is more reliable, TCP or UDP?
TCP is more reliable.
Okay, suppose I want to search something on Google,
Yeah.
right?
Hmm.
Which protocol will be best, TCP or UDP?
For the Google, I think we don't need any security. I mean UDP fast, so I prefer UDP as it.
Okay. Do you know about DNS? DNS
Yeah,
protocol?
yeah,
Um,
I know about.
what is DNS protocol?
So DNS is basically a domain name system which is used to, I mean, um, to extract the name from the domain name, and so that it can be used in the root directory to find out the IP address for the searching purpose.
Okay. You means it is providing the domain to IP address?
No, it's not providing domain to IP address. It's providing IP address from the domain.
Okay. Um, so which protocol DNS use? TCP or UDP?
Um, DNS. Actually, I don't remember the exact, but I believe TCP will be used because of reliability and security.
Okay. So basically DNS primarily use the UDP protocol. Okay.
Okay,
Because
okay,
it needs the speed and efficiency, right? It does not need any
yeah,
connection. So
okay,
it's just to fetch the IP address, right? With the respective domain name.
yeah,
Okay.
no,
Coming to the cyber security. Okay. Hope you have idea
okay,
about the cyber
no,
security, right?
yeah.
Do you know the common SQL injection attacks?
I mean, which common SQL injection attacks? I
Do you know
didn't
the
understand.
SQL injection attacks? It seems very common, right?
Yeah,
So what was the SQL injection attack? How the attackers
for your
can?
voice is bit lagging.
I'm saying, do you know about the SQL injection?
Yeah, I know about it.
So how the attackers are performing these types of attacks? Basic.
I mean, yeah. So basically, they try to enter the, I mean, special key to the input field, such as one is equal to one, so that the value will be true, and they can enter into the next stage or next page of it, and from that they can take the data. So basically, the main approach will be this, and apart from it, they can also try to take the CSRF token from the network tab, so that they can enter the uh, website easily.
Okay. Mm, do you know the encryption?
Yeah, know about it. Encryption.
What are the types of encryption?
Symmetric and asymmetric.
What is asymmetric?
So asymmetric is a way to encrypt any data
Mm-hmm.
using the two keys, one for the encryption and one for the decryption.
Okay. And for the symmetric encryption.
It uses the single key for encryption and decryption both.
Okay. Okay, ठीक है. Coming to the next question. Do you have any idea about machine learning and artificial intelligence?
Not very much, but I know about it.
Do you know how the fraud detection in banking works
Uh,
using AI ML?
yeah. Actually, I didn't recall the technical term. Actually, they create one kind of a group of it, and to scan the all of it, and they find the vulnerability where it is breached. So I cannot recall the technical name of it.
Okay. Uh, do you know disaster recovery? What is this disaster recovery?
So basically, disaster recovery is a process where if something happens to the system or database,
Yeah.
so we need to move backward to the checkpoint where all the things are working correctly and all the data will be saved at that point of time, so that the user's data cannot be vanished, or it cannot be compromised. It cannot be compromised.
Okay. Mm, what are different types of cloud models?
So, different types of cloud models are IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Basically, infrastructure as a service,
Hmm.
platform as a service, and software as a service.
Give me one example of software as a service.
So, software as a service, we can take it as um, any website, like just like Google Meet, or just we are using the TalkMate, so it is a software as a service.
Okay. And what are the different types of cloud providers? You know,
Uh, what cloud providers? I didn't understand.
there are various cloud providers, right, in the market.
Okay, yeah. So some of them are AWS, Amazon Web Services,
Hmm.
Azure,
Hmm.
and Google Cloud Platform.
Okay. Um, do you know what is the containerization?
Uh, I don't know about it, but I know that basically the operating system are, I mean, um, what we can say.
I we use container.
So that all the PCs or all the devices see the same thing and at the same level. They cannot get the anything from left and right, and the position will not be changed, or we can say the data will be going in the same speed, just like other devices.
Okay. Do you know who is the RBI governor?
Currently, Shaktikant Das is the RBI. Mr. Shaktikant Das is RBI governor.
Okay. Mm, and what is repo rate? Current repo rate.
Um, I think current repo rate is around 6.3 to 6.5. Don't know exact,
Okay.
but it will be around this.
It's 6.5. Okay. And the governor is
Okay,
Sanjay Malhotra. Recently rechanged. Okay.
okay, okay.
Mm, do you know RTGS?
I only know about it's a banking services to transfer the data.
Okay. To transfer the money.
Yeah, transfer the money. Sorry.
Okay. What are the different types you know?
What RTGS?
Mm. What are the other apart from RTGS?
Uh,
Do you know NEFT?
yeah, yeah, I have heard about it, Neft, but don't know exactly about.
Okay. Do you know about the UPI?
Yeah, I know about UPI.
Who's the owner of the UPI? Which company?
Okay, that I don't know about it.
Okay.
Who is the owner?
Mm. Okay, no worries. Uh, do you know what are the challenges during the implementation of digital banking? What were the challenges?
So, major challenge would be in the digital banking would be how to provide the security to the user so that nobody can hack or scrap the data. Also, we for the digital banking, we need a strong server who work 24/7 so that
Okay.
anyone from anywhere in India or anywhere in the world
Mm.
can uh, use the digi banking services.
Okay.
Uh, so, apart from it, I also believe that the digi banking services interface would be very simple so that from the young age to the old age would use it clearly and easily.
Okay. Um, so let's take a scenario. Okay.
Okay.
Um, Suppose there is an ATM server. Okay, and
Okay.
it is failed repeatedly during peak hours.
Okay.
How do you troubleshoot and resolve the issue as an assistant manager?
Okay. So, first of all, I will try to find out. I mean, what are the issues it causes you during the peak hours?
Hmm.
Then after that, I will try to try to rectify it. And if it is not rectified, then I will try to consult with my seniors.
Okay.
And also, for the if suppose if I am able to contact with the peoples,
Hmm.
then I will convince them to not use the ATM. I mean, that's not the valid case, but I will try to convince them to not use it.
From the technical perspective,
Okay.
how would you troubleshoot? I mean, suppose a website
Yeah.
got crashed, right?
Yeah.
So, what will be the troubleshooting steps to not to use it not
First
a
of all, I
correct
will.
way, right?
Yeah.
So, how do you
Yeah.
troubleshoot that
So,
server?
yeah. First of all, I will try to figure it out what causes this problem,
Okay.
and if I will figure it out, I will try to rectify it,
Hmm.
and to take the necessary steps to for it, and also I will make sure that it will work and do not lose any of the user's data.
Okay.
And if I couldn't succeed, then I will try to consult with my seniors or any other
Okay.
members.
Okay. Okay. Cool. I think we are here to complete the interview. Last question. The last
Uh,
question.
can you wait 1 second?
Yeah. Yeah. You can.
Yeah, sorry. I mean, घर से phone था, sorry.
Okay. No problem. Uh.
Hello.
Yeah. I can know. Just talking about. I think we are about to complete this interview. The last question
Yeah.
will be why do you want to join SBI as an IT officer?
So first of all, I always had a dream of to working with I mean, with the large enterprises, and SBI poses one of the biggest and India's largest bank in the world. Also, the adaptive, the features of SBI like to give me opportunity to learn and grow itself in the field in the IT. So I believe. I would like to join the SBI.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah, Kunal, we are here to complete the interview. You can ask the question now.